it's Gina with WTI. And if you're a crazy cat lady like I am, then not only do you have a cat or 2 or 3 at home, but you love things that have cats on them. That's one reason I got this water bowl from Yedio, but it is so much more than just adorable and cute. This is handmade ceramic. You can tell that this is high quality. It's not something flimsy that's just gonna knock over if the cat bumps against it. In fact, it even comes with a silicone ring that you can put around the bottom, and that helps to keep it in place. Some things about this water bowl that I love for my cat Elsie to use are that it is tall enough so she doesn't get any like tweak in her neck when she drinks from it, and it doesn't give her whisker fatigue. So you can see how wide it is. When she goes in to drink, her whiskers are not going to hit the side, and then that makes it more comfortable for her to drink from. Also, I love that it has a measuring line for the water, so you can tell how much your kitty is actually taking in during the day. So either get this for yourself or as a gift for that friend that you know is going to love it. I guarantee they will, and that's my point of view.